Slideshow. Hello and welcome to VeriPic training. This video will provide you with an overview of creating a slideshow. The slideshow feature allows you to create a presentation of one or multiple cases. You can also create a portable slideshow that you can send via email or burn to a disk. The great thing is you can send over hundreds of photos without taking hardly any space in your recipient's mailbox. Let's get started. First, make sure that the photos you want included in the slideshow are selected in the database window. Refer to the search training video if you do not know how to search for pictures in the VeriPic database. Click the Build Slideshow button on the bottom left side of the screen. The Custom Media Slideshow Multiple Authentication window will appear. To add media to your show, click Add from Database. This button is at the lower left side of the window. The selected photos from the Database Media Search window are now displayed with the file name and title. The Pass/Fail column refers to whether or not the photo has passed authentication. You will notice that the photos were not tested. If you would like to test the photos, activate the option under Media List Settings. First is Auto Authenticate Photos. The photo will load faster if this button is not checked. If you check this checkbox, the authentication test results will be listed. Let's go ahead and test the next group of photos we want to add to the slideshow. Let's select photos from a different case number. Go to the Database Media Search window, click Choose Case, and double-click on an existing case number. Select the photos you want to add. Go to the Custom Media Slideshow window and click Add from Database. These photos passed authentication. Passing authentication means that VeriPic has verified that this is the original photo. The picture will not pass authentication if anything was edited between the time the photo was taken and imported into VeriPic, or if the photo was imported as secure only. Next is Auto Test Media. To test an audio or video file to make sure it is secure, click on this checkbox. The audio or video file will be listed as secured because once it is imported into VeriPic, there is an audit trail tracking every access point with that file. Audio and video files will always appear as secured. Next is Show Title for File System Only. This option applies to versions 4.5 and earlier. Under Edit Media List, you will notice the Add File, Add Folder, and Add Tree buttons. These options allow you to add pictures to the slideshow that are not in the VeriPic database. Click Add File and navigate to the photo or photos you want to include. If you want to customize your portable slideshow, add your logo and a header photo, such as a picture of your headquarters. Next is Add Folder. This allows you to add a folder full of pictures that are not in the VeriPic database. The last option is Add Tree. This allows you to add a folder and subfolders of pictures that are not in the VeriPic database. Once your pictures are in the slideshow list, you can take a look at the thumbnails. Click the Thumbnails button at the bottom of the screen. If you noticed you accidentally included a photo, double-click on the thumbnail. That photo will be selected. To remove it from your show, go to the bottom of the window and click Remove from List. A warning will pop up to make sure you want to remove the photo from the slideshow. Click OK. Click the Thumbnails button again. Now let's say you want to change the order around. Double-click on the thumbnail you want to move, or you can select more than one thumbnail. In this example, we will select our logo and header photo. Click Apply. The photos will be selected in the list. Then use the Change Order buttons. You can click Move Up to move the photo up one. Click Move Down to move the photo down one. Click Top to move the photo to the top of the list. Click Bottom to move the photo to the bottom of the list. You can also highlight the picture you would like to move directly from the list and use the Change Order buttons. In this example, let's move our logo and headquarter photos to the top of the list. Keep in mind, in the advanced options for the portable show, the first and second photos can be used as logo and header photos respectively. Once you have the pictures in the right order, click Select All. Then click the full screen button located at the bottom of the screen. Scroll through the pictures with the arrow keys or the spacebar on your keyboard to give the presentation. You can also zoom in on a photo by clicking with your mouse. To toggle labels on and off in slideshow mode, click H on your keyboard for enhancement. Click T for title. Click F for file name. Click N for number. Click E on your keyboard to remove the escape hint. To zoom out of a photo, hold down on the Shift key and click with your mouse. To exit out of your presentation, click Escape on your keyboard. To save the order of this slideshow presentation, click the Save button on the left side of the screen. Give the presentation a name and save it to a location. This will save as an SHO file. This file is a link to the slideshow. It does not make a second copy of your photos. This saves disk space. Click Save when you're ready to save the show. To open a saved presentation, click Open and navigate over to the file. Select the file and click Open. Your presentation will appear. Click Select All. Right-click over the selected photos to view options. Show will display the selected photos in the main window. View Media Info will bring up media information for the selected photos. Set Multiple Media allows you to change title or notes to the selected media. Select All selects all the media, and Select None deselects the list of media. If you want to export this media, click the Export Media button. You can export the media or burn the media to a disk. Let's now go over creating a portable slideshow. The Portable Slideshow feature allows you to send a slideshow via email, or you can burn the show to a disk. The portable show is view only. The recipient cannot make any changes to the media or print from the slideshow. First, click Select All. Now click Create Portable Slideshow. You can enter a title in the text box for this slideshow. Under the title is Time to display each photo. Select from the drop-down list how many seconds each photo will be displayed when the show is self-running. The recipient will be able to change the amounts per second. To the right, check the information that you want to include in the slideshow. You can include photo titles, photo notes, serial number, and case number. You can also check the box Save Portable Slideshow Settings to save your settings for future portable slideshows. Click on the Show Advanced Features button on the bottom left side of the window. To send your information with the slideshow, click Edit Sender's Information. Enter your first name, last name, organization, address, phone number, cellular number, fax number, email, website, and a message for the recipient. All fields are optional. Click OK when done. Under Type of File to create, select the file format for your show. The first radio button is Portable Photo Slideshow, which will send out the slideshow in a .exe format. In some cases, a recipient will not be able to receive the exe format. If this is the case, you can create a VeriPic slideshow data file. This allows slideshows to clear through high-security email programs. Your recipient will have to go to the following URL: www.veripic.com/get_viewer.htm to download a free viewer, which enables them to view the VP.dat slideshow. They can store that viewer on their computer and use it to open all their future VP.dat files that you send them. The last radio button will create both file types. If you are not sure whether they can receive executable files or not, you can create both file types. Continuous show means that the show will repeat over and over. In the Appearance section, you can customize your show. Let's impress your recipient. To include a logo and/or header photo in the border of your slideshow, you would have had to set them as the first photos in the list, as we did earlier. Click Use First Photo as Logo to have your logo display, and click Use Next Photo as a header photo to have a header photo in your portable presentation. The first photo will look best at a 1200 by 400 aspect ratio in pixels, and the second photo will look best at a 1200 by 1200 aspect ratio in pixels. You can also change the colors used in the portable slideshow window. Check Use Custom Colors. When you click on Defaults, you will have black text with a blue background. To change the background color, click the Choose Background Color button. Choose between any of the shown colors, or get creative and define a custom color by selecting Define Custom Colors. If you want to make this blue a little lighter, grab the slider and move it up. Click the Add to Custom Colors button and select it, and press OK. Do the same to assign a text color. Click on the Choose Resize to Fit Mode button to choose any cropping options that you would like. Anything that shows up in red would be cropped off if you choose that option. The second option will not crop the photo. The entire photo will show. Click OK when you have made your selection. If you want to password protect your slideshow, click Use Password and enter a password for the slideshow. The recipient will have to enter this password to view the slideshow. When you have finished, click Create. Save the slideshow. Now your portable slideshow is saved on your computer. You can open it up and take a look at it. Now you can also add it to an email as an attachment or use your DVD creating software to burn it to a disk. Thanks for watching this training video. We invite you to take a look at other training videos available in the VeriPic training series.